And kind of like my witch's broom's got a really, really big stick. Today, and I would love for you to stick around, because remember, if you watched my last video when it died, yeah, everything's plugged in and should be working today. I was working on my little witch's brooms, and they're just adorbs. I got one of my witches, wrong side, in the background. And these look so cute because look how crazy these sticks are. I mean, they're huge. And kind of like my witch's broom's got a really, really big stick. And it's like 8 feet tall. No, so how big is it? You know, I think it's 6 feet. Yeah, it's taller than I am, but not much. Yeah, so I worked on these off camera. No, let me take that back. I worked on them on camera using my camera. So I love this one. I like this. This is one of those light up pumpkin rings, and it didn't light up, but I hoard everything, working or not. And I thought one day I'll find a use for that. And I did. It's right there. So I love the stick a lot. Look at that crazy stick. So I had mentioned last week that I have a willow tree that dies, a corkscrew willow. I couldn't get to the tree. It was a sapling, you know what I mean? We planted, I killed it. I have the worst luck with willows, just so you know. I don't know, it's a thing. Anyway, I was able to get this one. I couldn't really reach under there and get everything, and my husband had put a Piro on top of it, and so it wasn't happening. So yes, in North Louisiana, we say Piro. I'm pretty sure they say it that way in the South. I've heard people pronounce it pirogue. So anyway, I love this one, but it's really thin, especially compared to these. So I went for a little walk in my woods. And let me tell you, just because the stick is on the ground doesn't mean it's a good stick, because it's probably a rotten stick. And I had to break a lot of sticks to find this. So I did find this one, and I love it. Oh my goodness, check that out. And now this is if you didn't see it, this is a cinnamon broom, and I love it. And it smells so good, that I got in a goodie bag, you know, big goodie bag from Rolling Hills, and I'm so excited about it. Did I say, Erica, we had a willow tree. We planted it over our dog when she died, and that thing lived, that tree, I don't know, 10 or 11 years we had it, and one day it just died. It was it. Boom, died. Just died. And people said, yeah, we'll do that. And I went, no, I've seen big ones. They can live a long time. And that broke my heart because it was being, you know. Anyway, I love this stick. I love this crazy end on it. Look at that. That is some crazy. So what I did is I took this part off right here. There was this lashing, and this is really brittle, so I can't reuse it. And I could soak it and do all that, but who's going to do that? Nobody's got time for that. So what I did with mine is I should tell you this. In case you ever decide to do this, I sharpened my wood to a point, and then I was able to just slide this down over it and hot glue it. So then I'm just going to take the rope and create a lashing to go around it. And it's not much of a point to show you the whole thing. It's pretty self-explanatory after this. If you do not know how to lash, don't worry about it. Just tie it around there. It doesn't matter. But at some point in my life, I learned about lashing. And yeah, and I do it. And then I forgot how to do it. And I had to remember in order to do it again. So yeah, so I did that. And I tied it around it. This one kind of wonky. And then I tied the bow, the raffia, and then I put some cute stuck on it. And I think on this one, I got a spider. We'll stick on this one. So I don't really have my glue gun and stuff handy, but I kind of wanted to tell you, I am still working on brooms because I'm still working on Halloween. I am not through. So after I did my live stream, I worked on some of my projects. And this is what I'm going to try to do the lashing for you. But guess what I do? Yes, I pull it out of the view of the camera. I had all that other stuff showing, but not what I was doing. I don't know what's going on. But kind of get an idea of what I did. I did put a little bit of glue just to help secure it. And I just love it. So I had gone to this place, I think in Arkansas for some reason, or I don't know where we were, where I got to watch people make brooms. And I have loved brooms ever since. It's crazy, but that's just one of those things. I have a big broom collection, and now I have this cute one. And so I tied raffia, and then I got kind of picky on it. I was like, well, I need more black. So I do the craziest stuff, and I had to go, did I keep videoing? Yeah. So I think I went and got some more black to do that so I could have more black in there. It just didn't look right. And then I realized after I did everything that on the other brooms, I had added a couple of strands of jute to my bow. So I had to go back and fix it anyway. But check out these photos. I do love decorating for Halloween, and I've amassed quite a collection, mostly thrifted. However, I did get those witches. They're by Dee Gann. She designed them for House of Hatten. I got those on eBay. Be sure you check out all the other Halloween videos that I have either posted or will be posting from now until Halloween with some more DIY projects and decor. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't. And hey, hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!